In the quiet depth of solitude, a woman finds herself surrounded by whispers of loneliness. Her diary, blank but thick with stories, becomes her sanctuary as she pours her heart out, recounting the tales of love she experienced with her husband, who is now miles away in a land unknown to her. Each day is a battle against isolation. She is a lone warrior standing firm in the face of adversity. The nights are colder, and the days much quieter. The chirping of birds outside her window provides the only break from the haunting silence of her four-walled universe. Her heart yearns for the sound of her husband's laughter, his mesmerizing voice that used to fill their home with a melody, now replaced by the ticking of the grandfather clock. Surrounded by mixed emotions, she turns to her only solace, the words and letters that connect them across the sea, a nostalgic conversation filled with promises and memories. These parchments of paper, they hold the fab